Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, and today I'm standing next to our fresh trade here, a 2023 Harris 210 Cruiser. Here in the pearl white finish on the sides here, and as well the black accent, making this boat look great on and off the water. Here, stepping towards the transom, this boat is powered by a 115 Mercury outboard. It only has 16 hours on it, so almost like new. Let's step up inside the boat, take a look what the inside has to offer. Hey guys, now here on the bow of the 2023 Harris 210 Cruiser. Notice our port and starboard seating up here on the bow with our loungers here in front of the captain's seat, as well as cup holders on each side with USB phone chargers and with storage underneath each side. Keeping your Coast Guard equipment, beach towels, whatever your accessories are for the day, you can store them and keep them dry inside. Here, stepping towards the helm, this boat has been equipped with semi-electronics, Clarion head unit, 4 speakers throughout the boat, as well as your digital shift with Mercury here. Stepping back towards the transom of the boat, you notice your mount there for your table, which also has 4 cup holders and a nice place to snack in the back of the boat. Coming here on the stern, you have this large flip-up storage here, which you can fit a lot of stuff in, and as well here on the port side is a cooler built in with a drain. Guys, Ben Finley here, taking you a tour of the 2023 Harris 210 Cruiser. Come by and see it in person. Thanks, have a good day.